बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। आज प्रैक्टिकल का कोर्स का हम तीसरा लेक्चर डेट इज़ द सिंथेसिस ऑफ फेनेस्टिन इसको देखेंगे, हाउ वी कैन सिंथेसाइज दिस कंपाउंड। The general method for the synthesis of phenacetin consists of majorly two steps. The first step is acylation, and it can be performed by heating mixture of p-aminophenol and acetic anhydride in water, which initially food paracetamol, that is called N-acetyl para-aminophenol. And in the second step, that is a simple example of Williamson ether synthesis, that paracetamol is treated with a base, that is sodium ethoxide, and then it will react with ethyl iodide through SN2 mechanism to give phenacetin our required molecule. So basically it is two-step synthesis. The apparatus and chemical required for the synthesis of phenacetin involve are required round bottom flask, conical flask, filter paper, beaker, reflux condenser, then reagent, sodium metal, hydroxyacetamiide, ethyl iodide, ethanol, acetic anhydride, and then para-aminophenol. So these are the apparatus and glassware and chemical required for the synthesis of phenacetin. So in first step, what will happen? The para-aminophenol is treated with anhydride, that is acetic anhydride. Then we will get acylation, that is paracetamol. So NH2 group is changed into imide group. How we will get paracetamol? First step, we took a round bottom flask and placed 2 grams of aminophenol and acetic anhydride and then water in it. We place the round bottom flask in water bath and heat the solution near to boiling point for 20 minutes. And after heating, we will do mixture regularly, stir with using glass rod until complete dissolution of para-aminophenol took place. Cool the flask in an ice bath for 10 minutes and then we will get the crystal of paracetamol. Then filter the reaction mixture and use a small amount of cold water to help remove any residual product from the flask, and then we will wash the product and recrystallize the product from the water. Place the product in flask and 10 ml of water and heat the solution. So we will get pure form of the product. And after the collection of the crystal of the filtrate, we will dry it in air, then calculate the percentage of the product and we will measure the melting point to check the purity of the compound, which is 169 to 172 degrees Celsius. So this is the first step, and after Second step, this paracetamol, that is also called acetaminophenol, is treated with ethyl iodide in the presence of base and alcohol. So Williamson ether synthesis take place and we will get our required product. So hydrogen is replaced with this alkyl group. So ether formation like take place. This is the formula of phenacetin. How we will get this product? Place ethanol in a round bottom flask, add carefully metallic sodium and attach a reflex condenser with it. Then we will heat the reaction mixture under reflux for 15 minutes until the complete consumption of sodium. So we will get eth oxide when we treat with alcohol with metal, so we will get sodium eth oxide. Then cool the flask to room temperature, add paracetamol which is synthesized in first step, and then add ethyl iodide drop by drop over it. And after addition, again we will reflux the mixture for 1 hour, then cool the flask at room temperature, then we will add water in it in an ice bath. Filter the reaction mixture and we will get the crystal of phenacetin on a filter paper. And after that we will again wash it with cold water to get the pure form of the crystal, and that crystal will be dried in simple air. After that we will calculate the weight of the powder to get the percentage yield, and then we will measure the melting point of pure phenacetin, that is 135 degrees centigrade. So this is the procedure to get a phenacetin in two-step synthesis. In first step we will get a paracetamol, and after paracetamol, by using Williamson ether synthesis mechanism, we will get our required product, that is phenacetin. Thank you.